Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on restoring deleted posts on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Instagram has a new feature where if you delete a post, you will be able to restore it within 30 days of deleting it from your profile. Here is how to do it. Tap the three lines icon from the top right of your profile page, and then select Settings. In Settings, select Account. At the bottom of your account's settings page, select Recently Deleted. This is a folder containing your recently deleted posts. You have 30 days after deletion to restore them to your profile. After that, they will be permanently deleted. Select the photo or video you want to restore. Tap the three dots button at the top right of the post, and then select Restore. For security, you may need to get a security code to your email or phone in order to restore the post. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Instagram tips and tricks.